Precipitation. The amount of moisture falling on an area regardless of the physical form, i.e., liquid, vapors, or frozen form, is designated as precipitation. Precipitation occurs in the following forms. 1. Rainfall. Rain is liquid water in the form of droplets that have condensed from atmospheric water vapor, and then become heavy enough to fall under gravity. Rain is a major component of the water cycle and is responsible for depositing most of the fresh water on the earth. It provides suitable conditions for many types of ecosystems, as well as water for hydroelectric power plants and crop irrigation. Rainwater contains nitrate, the most bioavailable form of nitrogen. Nitrogen is one of the 3 key macronutrients that plants need to thrive, necessary for the development of lush foliage. Many forms of nitrogen are not actually absorbable by plants. Air is 78% nitrogen, and plants need it to grow. Nitrogen gas is chemically very stable because it is made from 2 atoms that form strong bonds with one another. Breaking these bonds requires lots of energy before they can react. Lightning during rain can provide this energy, breaking the bonds and leaving the free nitrogen atoms to combine with oxygen in the atmosphere. The resulting compounds are called nitrates, which dissolve in rainwater more readily than nitrogen gas. Most plants cannot use nitrogen gas, but they can use nitrates. Because of this, thunderstorm rain is particularly good for fertilizing plants. Rainfall may cause pollen shedding in field crops. Inadequate rains limit plant growth in rained areas. Heavy rainfall may cause the leaching of nutrients out of the root zone. Rains may hinder the emergence of crop plants and lodging in the early season. Cloudy and rainy weather may attract disease and insect attacks. 2. Hailstorm. When raindrops pass through a region of intense cold on their way to the earth, they freeze and fall on the ground in the form of stones or lumps of ice called hailstorms. Severe wind and hail damage to field crops include seedlings breakage, stem bruising and wounding, loss of flowers and small fruit, holes, and spots on fruits and spikes, leaf defoliation, leaf tearing, and shredding. Defoliation reduces leaf area, and plants will need to grow new leaves. Hailstorms in fallow land increase moisture retention in soil. Particularly rained areas, sowing of crops can be done. 3. Snow. When the clouds ascend to intensively cold regions of the atmosphere with temperatures below freezing point, they freeze without passing through the liquid form and fall as snow. It acts as a cover to prevent evaporation. Upon thawing, it directly enters the soil to increase soil moisture for plant growth. The rapid growth of spring vegetation in climates where snow accumulation is high depends on water and end supply from melting snow. As the snow melts slowly at high altitudes, it is an essential water source. Snow can be beneficial to landscape plants. It acts as an insulator and can protect some plants from freezing and thawing and provides moisture as it melts.